Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. We're in Wilson, Oklahoma. This is our 69 Camaro. It is Hugger Orange, 727 white interior. It's got a Vortec 350 with the bolt-through heads. It is a real code 7272 Hugger Orange car with the 727 white interior. It's got cold vintage air conditioning, Edelbrock carb, high-rise manifold. Runs and drives excellent. Air blows ice cold. True SS, power steering, power disc brakes. The RS headlights have been added. Go ahead and turn on the headlights for me. They work, they're the Speed Direct. It's got 5-spoke aluminum wheels, 4-speed shifter, 350 Vortec. Tach and gauges, factory tach. The gauges are aftermarket. Very, very, very nice interior. Real deal, true SS car, 12-bolt posi. It's got all the proportion valves, the dual exhaust bracket on the frame. It's the real deal. It's got the bumperettes at the bottom. Solid original floors. Trunk and quarters. These are the original ones that came with this car. It's not been messed with. She runs great, shifts like butter. All the lights work. Love those electric Speed Direct headlights. They really make a beautiful Hugger Orange Camaro look awesome. Steel cowl hood. Tach is working, idling right at 1,000 RPMs. AM FM stereo, holding 65 pounds of oil pressure. All the wood grain, just beautiful inside and out. Really a nice car, and I love the Hurst shifter inside the console. Makes it look great. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. We're located at 21180 US Highway 70 in Wilson, Oklahoma. Y'all check us out online or call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Have a blessed and awesome day.